In the last video, I showed you how to take a screenshot of this entire web page. In today's video, we're going to take advantage of a new Selenium 4 feature that allows us to take a screenshot of a single web element. In our case, we're going to be taking a screenshot of this button here that says modals. Let's go to the code. To begin, we're going to add a new method in the base page class. We're going to call that method takeElementScreenshot. This method will require that we pass one parameter for the element that we wish to locate. Before we can take a screenshot of the element, we need to locate that element. So we're going to say web element, call this element equal to driver.findElement, and we're going to pass the locator. Next, we're going to call file from java.io package. We're going to call this file equal to element.getScreenshotAs. This is going to allow us to take a screenshot of that individual element and save it into a file. And here we need one parameter, and that is going to be output type .file. And lastly, we need to call fileutils.copyFile. And here we need two parameters. The first one is the source file, and the second is going to be the destination file. The source file is going to be the screenshot that we took, and that is simply called file. Next, we need the destination file, and we're going to say new file, and we need a file path. In my case, I simply want to save the screenshot where my project is located. So I'm going to say double quotes dot, and this is referencing the current directory, then /, and I'm going to call it screenshot.png. And that's all we need to do to take a screenshot of that single element. Notice that we have an error here. That is because we can get some type of IO exception when the file is being copied. So I'm going to click here and hit Alt-Enter and select Surround with Try-Catch. And that will take care of that error. Now that we have this method in our base page class, we can start working on our test. Let's go to the sandbox test class. And here we have our new test. This is called TestElementScreenshot. And from here, we're going to call sandbox page dot screenshot modals button. And because this is red, it means that we haven't implemented this method yet. So let's go ahead and implement it. This is going to return a sandbox page object. And from here, we're going to call that method that we wrote in the base page class, and that was called takeElementScreenshot. Since we're taking a screenshot of the modals button, we're going to pass the locator for that button. And we already have that locator listed up here from a previous test that we wrote. Now let's go ahead and pass this locator here. And that's it, we're done writing our test. Now let's go ahead and execute it. Once this test executes, we should expect a new file called screenshot.png being added to our project. Let's see that in action. The test is done, and here we have that file that we talked about, screenshot.png. Let's go ahead and open it, and voila, we have a screenshot of a single web element. I hope you had fun learning about screenshots. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and see you in the next video.